Philippine Navy recently released details regarding the naval helicopter crash incident happened in Cagayan North International Airport in Lalo, Cagayan on September 26, 2021 at around 1:50 a.m. to 2 a.m. The Philippine Navy mentioned that it was the Navy's Augusta Westland AW109E with tail number NH435, an armed helicopter variants of the Philippine Navy under Naval Air Wing. MaxDefense Philippines reported that the initial information he got from the Philippine Navy, saying that the Augusta Westland AW109E rolled over while attempting to land, which resulted to crash. MaxDefense Philippines also said that the two helicopter pilot only sustained minor injuries and was brought to the hospital nearby. The Department of National Defense, Secretary Delfin Lorenzana explained in a Senate hearing about the budget of the Defense Department for fiscal year 2022, how some of the aircraft crashed and its findings.
The 109 that crash landed in Cagayan, but nobody perished there because they were already landing. Medyo may gust of winds na hindi niya na-control yung aeroplano. So, nag-roll over on its side yung helicopter. So, nasira yung helicopter. And, yun, another equipment na destroyed because of weather disturbance.